I have literally a ton of bags from Mirajo. I think they should start sponsoring me because मैंने अच्छे खासे इनके बैग से ऊपर मैंने खर्च करा है. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Guys, if you have been waiting to buy a new handbag, this is like the perfect time because some of my absolute favorite brands are giving a massive and huge discounts on their entire handbag collection. And we are talking 70% off on Zouk, 50% off on High Design, 35% off on Mirajo and up to 30% off on Theatre. So I thought let me just make this video and give you guys a tour of all the bags that I have from this particular brand ताकि आप लोगों को idea हो जाए. So if you have been eyeing any particular bag from those particular brands, you can just get an idea about the quality, if it's worth buying or not. So yes, without further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. सारे products के link मैं description box में डाल दूँगी, जरूर check कर लेना. I just had to make this video क्योंकि मेरे पास इनके बहुत सारे bags हैं, especially Mirajo के. I love their particular bags. Let's start with Zouk first. मेरे पास Zouk के 2 bags हैं, but मुझे ना मिल नहीं रहा है. So let's start with this one right here, जो उनके काफी पॉपुलर कलेक्शन में से है and I think this is a very new collection. So this is what the beautiful first bag looks like. I love it. The quality is super nice from the stitching to however it looks. इनके आपको ऐसे patterns आपको हजारों patterns में मिल जाएंगे, different colors as well as patterns में मिल जाएंगे. So I especially love this one, so I had to get it, especially also because I knew मैं जब ये खरीदूंगी मम्मा मेरे से ले ही लेगी. So I just wanted it to be a pattern or style जो मैं as well as मम्मी 2 different age groups आराम से यूज कर पाए. टॉप हैंडल मिल जाएगा, you have zip closure at the back, एक पॉकेट मिल जाता है, then you have the brand detailing right here, cross body वाला भी detailing मिल जाता है. And when you open this up, you have this huge compartment right here wherein आपको एक slip pocket मिल जाएगा and then अंदर एक और आपको zip detailing मिल जाएगा. So this is what the first bag from Zouk looks like. Looks super nice. You can literally go ahead and carry this with your Indian fits and it looks super gorgeous. This bag is called the Zouk Saisha Sling Bag for Women and it's made of vegan leather with whip stitch detailing and detachable silver strap right here. ठीक है, ये detachable है, आराम से आप detach करके as a handheld bag आराम से carry कर सकते हो. So ये इसका original price है 3,452 rupees, but you guys, since this is right now at a massive 70% off, so आपको ये सिर्फ 1,000 rupees का पड़ रहा है. I couldn't find the bag, but let me just show you the picture जो मेरे पास actually है. कहीं पे अलमारी में गुम हो गया होगा कपड़ों के बीच में, but this is the bag. ठीक है, ये वो particular pattern मेरे पास है and it literally goes with anything, especially जब मैं short कुर्तीस पहनती हूँ या फिर short या फिर ethnic court size पहनती हूँ, तब मैं ना इसे carry करती हूँ and it just looks so nice. मुझे अब मिल नहीं रहा है, ये 799 का आपको फिलहाल पड़ जाएगा on a sale. So this is what it looks like. If you want a bag to literally match with all your traditional clothes, ethnic clothes, आप Zouk check out कर सकते हो. Modern bags तो आप कर ही सकते हो, but if you actually want to match your traditional outfits with a traditional sort of bags, then Zouk is like a no-brainer. Then I have something for the festive season and it looks like this. पहले इसके बारे में बात करती हूँ. So this is what I got from Lavi. मैं actually अपने friend की शादी में लेने के लिए ली थी and this is what it looks like. And जब मैं इसे ली थी, it was around 1,000 rupees. काफी पुराना भी है, अब हालत देख पा रही हो. So I've had this for years and years now and ये फिलहाल Lavi का, ठीक है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. ये फिलहाल Lavi का सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये 499 का आपको पड़ रहा है. So let me just give you a look. आपको different varieties and patterns में मिल जाएंगे. So this is what it looks like. Retails for just 449, not even 499 but 449 rupees. So I had to share it with you guys. Then I have काफी सुंदर सा पोटली बैग right here. अगर आपको एक अच्छा सा cute सा पोटली बैग चाहिए and this fancy, literally just go for this. मैं जब इसे ली थी, it was around 999 rupees थी, 1,000 rupees का मैंने लिया था, but it is just for 699 rupees right now. इतना फर्क आ चुका है प्राइसिंग में. So I will link all of the products in the description box. Please जरूर check कर लेना. Now let's talk about wallets and I have this two wallets right here. Let's first talk about this one that I'm using and it's from the brand High Design. High Design I think एक पौंडीचेरी का ब्रांड है जो मुझे काफी देर बाद पता चला. I thought it was always an international original brand because of the quality. ठीक है, मैं जब इसे ली थी, I was literally waiting for a discount and I literally got this for 1,000 rupees. It retails for almost like 3-4,000 rupees. So when I saw that this particular wallet was on a discount and सिर्फ मुझे 999 के आसपास मुझे मिला था, so I was literally the first one to just hit that add to cart and buy now वाला button. So let me tell you the offers on High Design. So आपको High Design 50% off में मिल रहा है and you can literally get ऐसे इतने beautiful quality के wallets and bags at a massive 50% off right now. The color is literally to die for. When you open this up, you have two compartment right here, एक बिना zip का and एक with the zip. Then you have a lot of cards वाले section. आप अपना आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, अपना cards आराम से रख सकते हो. Then you have additional card section right here. अगर आपको High Design के bags आप देख रहे हो and you're like it's a little expensive, this right now is the perfect time because High Design is right now on a massive 50% off. Now let's talk about the Mirajaka wallet that I have. I've not used it yet. I've been using the High Design का wallet that I've been loving. जब ये थोड़ा सा peel off करने लगेगा, that's when I'll actually go ahead and use this one. So this is what the Mirajaka wallet looks like. Comes in a box like this. You have it beautifully wrapped like this. मैंने इसको बहुत अच्छे से ही रखा. Then उसके साथ ये wallet के साथ भी आपको छोटा सा dust bag मिल जाएगा. See, I have a lot of Mirajaka bags and सब कुछ मैंने इनके dust bag में ही रखा हुआ है. This is what the wallet looks like. The quality is again literally to die for. It's super nice. I love the color. I always lean towards deeper shades when it comes to wallets. Then when you open it up like this, you have the card section going all over this area right here. सारे के सारे आपको card section मिल जाएंगे. Then when you go ahead and open this zip, आपको एक zipper compartment मिल जाएगा. The original price is around 2,000 के आसपास आपको original price मिल जाएगा. But right now it is on a 35% off. ठीक है. And आपको ये मिल रहा है around 1,600 to 1,500 rupees. So definitely go ahead and check it out. Now let's start with all the Mirajaka bags that I have. You guys are not going to believe इतने सारे मेरे पास bags है. Then I have this massive bag. एक मैंने आपको दूसरे वाले वीडियो में मैंने शेयर करा कि 2 tote bags मैंने लिया था. एक ये अपने लिए and एक मम्मी के लिए. But मम्मी दिल्ली गई थी दी के पास and she literally forgot to bring the bag. छूट गया. So that's why I don't have it right here. Let's start with this one right here. This is a very beautiful silver toned wale bag and again great if you're going for parties and all, but I don't party, so this is again a great option for me, especially festive season ke time or anytime I want my outfit to have that little spark, the little shine. This is when I absolutely go for this. You guys just look at the bag again. सारे bags की link मैं description box में डाल दूँगी, जरूर check कर लेना. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. I think it's called the Alexis bag. मुझे ढूंढ के नहीं मिल रहा है. Again इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ. Description box में link डाल दूँगी. Exact links आप लोग जरूर check कर लेना, ठीक है? So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. I love the structure and it has this beautiful link chain detailing that looks super gorgeous. बहुत ही character देता है एक bag को and I love it. Again branding आपको मिल जाएगा. The quality is super nice and you get a lot of space. Let me show you. बहुत सारी space आपको मिल जाता है and आपको एक slip pocket यहाँ मिल जाएगा. Then एक zipper pocket यहाँ मिल जाएगा and आप compartment देख पा रहे हो. अच्छा खासा आपको space मिल जाएगा. Literally looks super nice, looks so gorgeous and can just level up an outfit within seconds. I have literally a ton of bags from Mirajo. I think they should start sponsoring me because मैंने अच्छे खासे इनके bags के ऊपर मैंने खर्च करा है. So the next bag that I have that I absolutely love is this beautiful combination of beige and black and this is what it looks like. It is for 4,000 rupees but आपको ये 2,000 के आसपास 2,500 to 2,700 के आसपास आपको मिल जाएगा. Again अगर आप बैंक के ऑफर्स लगाओगे, कार्ड्स के ऑफर लगाओगे आपको और भी डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. Comes with a gold chain right here. Again it's detachable, ठीक है? The gold chain detailing right here is that matte finish wala gold that looks absolutely gorgeous. When I go ahead and open this up, this is how much space you get. आप देख पा रहे हो. The best part about this bag is that आपको अलग से ना, if you don't want to carry a wallet along with this bag, you don't have to because they have literally given pockets for all your cards right here. तो आपको 3 ऐसे cards के pockets मिल जाएंगे along with a zipper, you know, pocket at the opposite end, and you can literally carry your cash as well as your card within this bag without a wallet. And I was literally like, oh my god, they have, you know, put in so much thought into, you know, making and designing a bag that is, you know, literally super convenient. This is what the next bag looks like, and I thoroughly love it. This is what the next bag from Mirajo looks like. It is so beautiful. मुझे, you know, use करने का भी मन नहीं करता if I go ahead and, you know, just go ahead and scratch it. So this is what the beautiful structured bag looks like. Has to be one of the most beautiful bags that I own from Mirajo, and it is called the Sabrina crossbody bag. आपको again 3 different shades में मिल जाएंगे. This retails for 4,500 rupees, but right now आपको ये मिल रहा है at a massive 27% off for just 2,900 rupees. And if I have to recommend a beautiful color, it has to be like this one right here, the wine color. It's so nice, looks super chic, and the quality is literally to die for. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. The branding right here looks absolutely gorgeous with the gold, you know, detailing right here. Looks super nice. The structure is literally super perfect right here. Again, like this, and it looks super nice. देखो, मैंने use ही नहीं करा अभी तक. So this is what the space looks like. You have this beautiful zipper detailing. Then again, like the previous bag, आपको 3 card slots मिल जाएंगे, so you can easily carry your either your PAN card, Aadhaar card, or your debit or your credit card, and it looks like this. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. Has to be one of the most prettiest looking bag that I own from Mirajo. Again, one of the best qualities so far. Now let's move on to my most used bag from Mirajo. Again, this is literally what I carry every single time I'm going out. This is the bag that I am literally carrying every single time मैं, you know, कदम रख रही हूँ अपने घर के बाहर. And this is what the bag that I'm carrying. It's super nice, super huge, super spacious, and literally carries my world नहीं, my earth inside this. So this is what the beautiful huge tote bag from Mirajo looks like. I love the beautiful contrast white stitching all over the bag. Black color का bag है, then the stitching is of white color, looks super nice, super premium, and then the branding is of gold color right here. Then आपको ऐसे बड़े से आपको space मिल जाएगा. You can see I literally have a lot of stuff inside this. आपको यहाँ 2 slip pockets मिल जाएंगे. So this is where you get 2 slip pockets. आप आराम से अपना छोटे-छोटे चीजें रख पाओगे. Look at how huge this is, and it is super convenient. Shoulder दर्द नहीं करते हैं. I literally carried this for hours and hours, and मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुआ. But the only thing is, it does not come with a zipper. It comes with a magnetic closure right here. I literally carry this every single wear, every single time, and it literally carries my whole earth inside this. Now let me show you the last bag that I have to share with you guys in today's video, and it's my sister's, मेरी दीदी का bag है, and it looks like this. So this is what the beautiful huge tote bag from Mirajo looks like, which is my sister's, and it is called the Mirajo Mercy Solid Tote Bag. Also comes with a detachable pouch pocket, and it looks like this. ये जो color है, it is called Z Black, and you get 4 to 5 different options. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. उसने पता नहीं Emirates का कुछ ऐसा लगाया हुआ है, but let's move on with the bag. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. Comes with a detailing like this. काफी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Let me just check out the price. This one right here is for 4,500 rupees, but right now it is on an off for massive 15% off, and you are getting this for almost like 3,000 के आसपास आपको मिल रहा है. So this bag, ऐसे quality के bag, she got this around a year and a half back. I think 2 साल हो चुका है, and it's literally like the perfect, you know, अभी तक ना peeling हुआ है ना कुछ हुआ है. So literally the best, you know, in the market right now. So this is what the bag looks like. The branding is in again gold color. Again, you have this pouch right here जो आप attach कर सकते हो and detach कर सकते हो. आगे से कुछ इस तरीके से वो attach किया हुआ रहेगा. Full, you know, zipper compartment right here. So this is again what I love. पूरा zip आपको compartment मिल जाता है. Then you have this huge pockets compartment right here, and इतने space मिल जाएंगे. You can literally carry your world inside this. Especially it is perfect for people, you know, if you're going off to college, आपको, you know, books carry करना होता है. If you're going to offices, this is literally like, these 2 bags are literally the perfect bags for office as well as colleges. And I think nothing can get better than this, because you can literally carry a lot of stuff inside this. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I just shared whatever I have. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने खरीद के आप लोगों की वीडियो के लिए मैंने खरीद के आपको दिखाया. This is literally what I have. This is literally what I own and I use them every single time. That's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारे products के link, सारे bags के link description box में डाल दूँगी. अब तक ज़रूर check कर लेना. And I will see you guys very very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.